Ever found yourself a little short before payday, needing a small boost to tide you over? We've all been there, right? That unexpected bill, a sudden emergency, or just needing to grab groceries before your paycheck lands. It's a frustrating situation, and sometimes traditional loans or credit cards aren't the quickest or easiest solution. That's where services like Beforepay come in, offering a way to access a portion of your earned wages early. But the big question is, do you need a deposit to use Beforepay? Before we dive into the specifics of Beforepay's deposit requirements, let's quickly understand what it is and how it works. Beforepay is a service that gives you access to a portion of your salary before your actual payday. It's designed to help bridge those gaps between paychecks and avoid the stress of short-term financial crunches. Instead of a traditional loan, Beforepay links to your bank account and analyzes your income and spending habits to determine how much you can access. They then transfer the funds to your account, and you repay the amount, plus a small fee, on your next payday. Now, back to the burning question, do you need a deposit to use Beforepay? The short answer is no, you generally do not need to make a deposit to access Beforepay. Unlike some other financial services that require an upfront payment or security deposit, Beforepay's model is different. They are essentially giving you an advance on your already earned wages. They're not lending you money in the traditional sense, they're providing early access to what's already yours. So, how does Beforepay make money if they don't take a deposit? Their revenue comes from the small fixed fee charged on each transaction. This fee is transparent and clearly displayed before you confirm your cash out. It's a fixed amount, not a percentage, which means you know exactly what you're paying up front. This fee covers the cost of providing the service and allows Beforepay to operate. Because Beforepay doesn't require a deposit, the eligibility criteria are different than those for traditional loans. Instead of focusing on credit scores, they primarily look at your income, employment history, and spending patterns. They need to be able to verify that you have a stable income and that you'll be able to repay the advance on your next payday. This is how they manage risk and ensure they can continue providing the service. To be eligible for Beforepay, you'll typically need to meet certain requirements, like having a regular income, a bank account that's compatible with their system, and a history of responsible financial management. They may also have specific criteria related to your employment status and the amount of your regular income. It's always a good idea to check their website or app for the most up-to-date eligibility requirements. Using Beforepay can be a convenient way to manage unexpected expenses or bridge gaps between paychecks. It offers a quick and relatively easy way to access funds without the hassle of traditional loan applications or the need for a security deposit. However, it's important to remember that Beforepay is not a long-term financial solution. It's designed to be used occasionally for short-term needs. Relying on it too frequently could indicate underlying financial issues that need to be addressed. Before using any service like Beforepay, it's crucial to understand the terms and conditions, including the fees involved. Make sure you're comfortable with the repayment schedule and that you're confident you'll be able to repay the advance on your next payday. Responsible use is key to making the most of these services without getting into a cycle of debt. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.